Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nutri Travel. Recently we went to Budapest from Germany. We stayed overnight in Vienna, which is the capital of Austria, and then from Vienna we went to Budapest by a train. The train from Vienna to Budapest take almost 2.5 to 3 hours. We stay in a hotel there in Budapest, and in the morning then we went to Margaret Island. Margaret Island is located in the center of Danube River in Budapest. It is a very nice place. I highly recommend you to visit this place. One can carry out many activities in this Margaret Island. You can use a bicycle, tricycle, quadricycle, penta or hexacycle or electric bike to go around the park and discover many beautiful landscape. But one of the hallmark of this island is this music fountain, in which music is displayed after every hour. While in night time in this Margaret Music Fountain, the light display is a must activity to watch. I highly recommend you to go there in night time and observe this lighting and music display in this beautiful island. I hope you are enjoying our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. I hope you enjoy our video. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And also please comments and like our video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.